Today we begin a new unit of study. We're studying about coins and how to count combinations of coins. So today you will take a pre-assessment. A pre-assessment simply means a little assessment or a little test to find out what you already know so that we know what we need to teach you. I want you to know that if you take this assessment and you don't know something, that's perfectly fine. That's what the pre-assessment is for. It is to let us know ahead of time what you know so we can teach you what you need to know. I'm here right now to read the assessment to you to cover what the expectation is when you take the little test so that you do not need to ask mom or dad or any other grown-up. It's very important that you do this assignment all by yourself. And I want to reassure you that if you do not know the answer, it is okay. We are your teachers. We are here to help you. Guys, the worst thing that could happen is for us to send you on to third grade because we think you know it because you're asking mom or dad to help you, and you go to third grade and third grade says, oh, they don't know it. And third grade wants to send you back to second grade. So again, I just want to reassure you that it is perfectly fine for you not to know the answers to these. We do want you to do your best. That lets us know what you already know, and it helps us to get a foundation for what we need to teach you next. Okay, so let's begin. It is a money test, and I'll read most of this to you so that you know exactly what to do. This says money test, identifying and adding coins. Number 1 says circle the name of this coin. Here's your coin right here, and just take one of the tools here, pen, pencil, it doesn't matter, and you will circle one of these words. If you think this coin is a penny, a nickel, a dime, or a quarter, you will circle the appropriate word. Number 2 says, what is the value of this coin? Now, I want you to be reminded that when we said that value means how much something is worth. So how much do you think this coin is worth? You will either very carefully write it with a pencil or a pen, or you will use your label tool here to type in the value of the coin. Number 3, which 2 coins could you trade for this coin? What we want to know here is, whatever the name of this coin is, the value of that coin is the same as having these 2 coins. So these 2 coins will total the same amount as this coin. Now, if you think that this coin is a penny, then you will label it with a P. Oh my, I'm so sorry. Let me change that. Let's try that again. Let's go here. If you think that this is a penny, and you think that 2 pennies is the same as having the value of this coin, then you'll label these coins. We need you to label them with what you think the coin is. Okay? Number 4 says, circle the name of this coin. What do you think the name of this coin is? Is it a penny, a nickel, a dime, or a quarter? Number 5 says, what is the value of this coin? How much do you think this coin is worth? Again, you may use your tools here, or you may type it in, whichever one you think we may be able to read best. Number 6, draw the coins you could trade for this coin. So if you think that this coin is a quarter, and I'm making this up, if you think that this coin is worth a quarter, you're going to draw the coins you could trade for a quarter. So maybe you think that you need 3 coins to trade for this coin because you think it's a quarter. Then you are going to label the coins that you just drew. So maybe you think that this coin is a nickel, and this coin is a penny, and this coin is a dime. N for nickel, P for penny, D for dime. Okay, let's move on. Number 7 says, what is the total value of these coins? Whatever you think the value of this coin is, if you think the value of this coin is 5 cents, then you will either write 5 cents here, or if you're like me, you probably will go over here and get this label tool and type it in. Might be a little bit easier. If you think that this coin is worth 5 cents, then go ahead and write that down. Now, Miss Jacob is not giving you right answers right now. Miss Jacob is just doing this as an example for you guys so that you can see what you need to do. These answers are not right. I want you to know that. Then after you have labeled the value of each coin, you will go back and you will add up the value of these coins. 5, 10, however much this adds up being, the total you want to put over here in this box. Very important that you let us know how much these coins total altogether. Number 8 says circle the name of this coin. What is the value of this coin? Number 10 says draw the 3 coins you could trade for this coin. So if you think they told us to draw 3 coins, so you will draw 3 coins and you will make sure that you label those coins. Whatever you think those coins are. Maybe you think that this coin is a quarter, or maybe 2 nickels and a quarter would be the same amount as this coin. I don't know. But that's what you'll be doing. And number 11, you will do it the same way that you did this one right here. Whatever the value of this coin is, write it here. The value of this coin, write it on the line. The value of each coin gets written on the line. And it's very important that you put the total amount over here in this box so that we know how much these coins total all together. Okay? One more page and then you're done. This is a little small. I can't see it very well. So I'm going to go right over here. I'll click on that plus button and I'll click one more time so that I can enlarge this. And now I can see it a lot better. It says, the directions say, look at the following coins. Circle the coin with the greatest value. So if you think that this coin has the greatest value, you're going to circle it. Put an X on the coin with the least value. So if you think this coin has the least amount of value, you'll put an X there. So there's directions to do 2 different things here. Okay, what is the name of the place on this coin? There's a place right here on this coin. What is the name of this place that's on the back of this coin? Is it A, Monticello, B, the White House, C, the Lincoln Memorial? Whatever you think it is, you are going to circle that coin. What is the name of the place on this coin? Okay, I hope you're paying attention because Mom and Dad will not help you on this one. You need to do this one on your own. Who is this president? Who is this president? Is this Abraham Lincoln, Franklin D. Roosevelt, or Martin Luther King Jr.? Circle the choice that you think is best. Remember, Miss Jacob is just making this up. Please don't use my answers because they certainly aren't right. I'm just doing this as an example. If Mia has 4 pennies, how much money does Mia have? Type it in. Alex has 1 dime. Dylan has 6 pennies. Who has more money? Circle who you think has more money. Which of these has the same value as 20 cents? Which of these has the same value as 20 cents? Is it A, 2 dimes, B, 20 pennies, C, both of their values are 20 cents? That's your test for today, boys and girls. Again, I want to stress to you how important it is that you take this little test all by yourself. It is not a grade. We will not take a grade on this. So I don't want you to think that, oh, if I do poorly, then Miss Jacob will think that I don't know how to do this. I need to know what you know so that I can teach you what you need to know, so that we can teach you what you need to know. Okay, I'm looking forward to your answers. Thanks so much for following the directions. Thanks so much for being a good citizen and for doing the right thing. And the right thing is to do the test by yourself. Okay, thanks a bunch.